Hey guys, in this video, I will be showcasing you one of our products. This is the HDMI Switch. If you ever have a problem of switching between different devices like your laptop or PlayStation, this one solves the problem. With this product, you can seamlessly switch up to 5 devices so you don't need to change every time you need to use something. As long as your devices have standard HDMI port, you can already use this. This device supports up to 4K resolution. We have two variations of this product. One supports up to 3 inputs and the other supports up to 5 inputs. Now let's move on to what's inside the package. Of course, we have the HDMI switch itself. As you can see here, we have 3 inputs here and 1 output there. So we need 1 HDMI per device for it to work. We also have a remote that is included in the package, so you don't need to leave the couch when you want to switch. It already has batteries included. Now for the remote to work, an infrared cable is included and should be plugged into the device. Now let's test this product. As you can see here, I have 2 laptops as input devices, which both have HDMI ports. And the monitor in the middle will be your output device. I will plug each HDMI cable to their respective ports. Once an input and an output device is plugged in, the HDMI switch should recognize this. At this point, we have the monitor showing the first input device already. As we plug in the second input device, it should automatically detect the second one. Okay, so the second input device has been detected by the HDMI switch. Right now, we'll be trying to switch from one input device to another using the remote. For now, I will be plugging the infrared cable first for us to test the remote if it's working or not. So using the remote will be pretty straightforward. Just click the number which corresponds to the input device where you plug it. So that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this one.